Welcome to Bear Armory. Today we will talk about the Chameleon shooting knife, which was developed at the Artillery Weapons Department of the Tula Military School. It is made in two versions, with manual cocking and with semi-automatic cocking. The handle consists of two parts: the barrel block and the base with firing mechanism, connected by pivots. The block consists of four 5.45 caliber barrels, which are raised for loading. Cartridges are combined into a clip of 4 rounds. Extraction of fired cartridges is done by a spring-loaded extractor when the rear of the barrel block is lifted up. Firing is done in the direction of the blade. To load the barrel assembly, the buttstock is tilted down as in a hunting rifle, releasing the cartridges, which are loaded simultaneously with 4 cartridges rigidly fastened by a clip. The ejection of spent cartridges is done by spring-loaded extractor when barrels are tilted during the reloading process. The semi-automatic cocking and firing mechanism is designed to provide rate of fire of up to 15 rounds per minute, and for trained soldiers, it could be higher. Aiming and sighting equipment. Weight of the knife is 600 grams. Length 320 millimeters. By changing the shape and coloring of the sheath, the shooting knife turns into a concealed self-defense weapon. Tests have shown that a bullet fired from a pistol knife at a distance of 25 meters pierces a 1 millimeter thick titanium plate and 15 layers of Kevlar behind it. Therefore, in general, a firing knife of this type, combined with a multifunctional blade, can be very reliable in self-defense. The main drawback of this development is the low stopping effect of a small caliber bullet. Now another model of such knife is under development, where special cartridges with arrow-shaped killing elements will be used. If a cylinder-shaped sheath is placed on the blade, which also serves as a silencer and is designed to look like a police baton, the knife generally becomes universal and can be of great service to law enforcement officials in the most extreme situations. Here's the video. I hope you were interested in learning something new. What do you think of this Chameleon shooting knife? Be sure to share your opinion in the comments. Friends, if you liked the video, then support me by like and subscribe to the channel, but be sure to click on the bell not to miss new videos. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thanks to all, bye bye.